Ano sila? Ano sila?
Hi. Da, 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 Hello, William. Hello, William. Wait, I need to, wait a minute. Oops, wait a minute. Oops, wait a minute. Saglit, dyan lang kayo. Ah. Thank you for watching. Hi, thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Golden. Good morning, America. Got you again. Yeah. Why are you welcome? You ate your breakfast? Good morning. Do you have a beautiful day? Yeah. Today is a beautiful day. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. 3 million here. Golden, I see you talk the last two letter from your last name. Za. Za. Golden Visa. Good. Yes, I did. Golden, I see you talk the last two letters. What I behind the door is wonder. The door is wonder. Thank you for 6 people here. Wait, what? What? Wait, what? What? I take my heart. The coffee. Why is that a good thing to you? Why is that a good thing to you? What? Good thing to me? You shorten your last name, Golden. I'm Visa. Alright. Golden, yeah. Golden Visa. Mm-mm. Oh, okay, yeah. Because of the last two letters, because of the meaning. Visa. Yeah, I had it on there for the other YouTuber, but I don't go in there no more. Okay. Oh, hi, Pom. Oh, hi. Good evening here in the Philippines. Maybe morning there in UK. I remember you're in UK, I think. Hi, I'm fine, Paul. Thank you for joining, Paul. I need a letter, so I put that. Ah, okay. No, afternoon there. Okay. Good afternoon in UK. Good afternoon, UK. Your memory is good. Good. YouTube down. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Paul.
Bago ni Papa, nainit. Kaya nagtatara ako. Ay, nang alas 12, di ba? Magana kang puro sama si Ashley, kaya kandere. Mga gili man si Ashley, para rin na.
Not long before you go to America. Ah, I don't know when I'm going to America. Maybe next year. Thank you for joining, but I finally got around it. Thank you. Hope you leave by this time next year, Paul. What? Wait, what? Really? Hi, Golden. Wait, what? Thank you for the thumbs, Zach. Thank you for joining. Getting confused. Getting confused. Golden confused, maybe confused now. Thank you for the thumbs, Zach. But have fun in America. Good for you. Thank you. Thank you, Golden. I hope America good for me. Hope them treat me good when in America. When I'm in America. I'm hoping. Maybe I think in 1 month he he sent me here in the Philippines. Go back to the Philippines. I don't like you. I have to say you have amazing legs. Oh, thank you, Paul. Hopefully it's okay to say that. Thank you, Paul. Yes. Ganda ko pa. Magkita. Thank you for the thumbs up. I wish you can get the experience. The fall of America, like you can, but our president not so nice to outsiders of America. Huh? Oh my god, come on, 12 people, please hit the like button, tap your screen. Thank you. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, team. Why? Donald Trump don't like a foreigner living in America. America. I wish you can get the experience. The follow America like you can, but a president not so nice to outsiders of America. He is he is if the people do the process right. Okay. Not just you. Okay. Okay. I hope. Oh my god. Ganda ko pa no? Nakita mo. Thank you for the thumbs up. Everybody have their feelings about him. I just one of them who don't like him. Okay. I understand. I understand you, Golden. Same here, politics here. I don't like the previous president. I don't like him. Golden, did you vote in the last election? Yep. Thank you to 15 million here. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Ay, harap ako. Tanda ko pa nakita yung mata at lumapit. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. okay enough about politics and religion. We don't want to offend anyone. Yeah. Okay, sorry. It's fine. It's okay. Thank you for sharing, Golden. I have an idea. Some idea. You have a good night. I love and God bless you. Thank you, William. No, it's okay, Golden. Thank you, Golden. I just worry about her, what she got to go through to get here. Ah, okay. Thank you for the concern, Golden. I hope she shouldn't have to. Yeah, I hope uh, life there is good for me. To me. She will be fine. I will take care of her. Thank you, Gatim. I'm hoping. Tanda ko pa. But when you do Welcome to America, I want to see it first. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Golden. Oh my God. Oh, wait, team to America. She's not coming over on a one key visa. I think it's visa. Key one visa. What means key one? I know team is she coming to visit. Thank you. Tanda ko pa noong inyong magkita. Um, I just don't want to get respect out of you too. Thank you, Ting. I thank you, Golden. I mean, spouse visa you will have. Ah, okay. Spouse visa. Mm. Thank you, guys. Binawi nung isa yung thumbs up. No, you're fine. Thank you. Oh, I felt better, Tim, helping you. I know she going by herself. I thought she going by. Thank you, Golden. Thank you for the 15 people here. Tanda ko pa noon na kita here and her son. Welcome here. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, team. Guys, stop for it. Like, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, nice. Try pizza is a meeting, I think. Yeah. You know what? I'm practicing eating pizza here. It's change lifestyle. I'll less eat rice. So, thank you for joining, guys. 16 people here. Thank you. East Coast has a better pizza. Texas pizza. Texas pizza sucks. Sucks talaga. What part in America good to live? Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. What states in America good to live? No, no. I heard Hawaii is a good place. Hi, Raptor Sean. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Raptor. Raptor. Not where charity lives. Why? Lol, today also you are eating something. Um, dragon seed. I eat dragon seed. Too expensive in Hawaii. Ah, okay. Hawaii. Yeah, very expensive. Ah, sorry. It's okay, it's fine. Hawaii is for rich people. Tim, can we go to Hawaii? Not for me. Okay. Hawaii is for rich people. Thank you for 14 million here. Thank you for the thumbs up. We can, but I will hit it. Okay. Why? Lots of beaches in Hawaii. Same here. Lots of beaches here in Bicol. A lot of beaches. I wouldn't say it for the rich. You just have to have a lot of money to be there. Yeah, lots of money to be there. I need to having enough save money. I think. Uh, because it's just one big piece of land. You can't go to any other state unless you fly to places. I love beaches. I am living 5 minutes walk from the beach in India. Okay. Where are you from, Sean? Raptor Sean. I have no beaches. Here in Bicol, lots of beaches here. I am from India, Cheryl. Okay. Nice to meet you, Raptor Sean. Sorry. The beach is Hawaii. Sorry. Sorry. Golden. Where are you from? Golden is she's from America. American. Ohio. Nice to meet you too, Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you, Raptor Sean. Thank you for Ohio. You know Ohio final boss. Are you eating peanuts? I'm eating dragon seeds. Like this. Dragon seeds is squash seeds. Squash seeds. It's called dragon seed. Not peanut. Yeah. I fell asleep in a. Yeah, Cheryl. Nice to meet you too. Whenever I come here, Cheryl is eating some. Yeah, I'm always eating dragon seed, peanuts. Oh my god, I fell sleeping. My eyes. Maybe I need to do in the live. I hope you come to America when it's snow. Yeah, I like to experience snow. You know what, Golden? I never experienced snow. I'm going to America. Oh, I feel snow. God, snow. Feel so in love with snow. I hope you like balot. No, I don't like balot. I don't like balot. My God. I want to experience a snow, Golden. I heard that Philippines don't have snow crazy. Yes, we don't have snow here in the Philippines. Never snow, even in my whole life. No snow here. Right? I don't have snow in South India. I only see snow in my fridge. Yeah, in my fridge, in the fridge. No snow here in Texas, but I will bring her to Massachusetts in the winter time. Wow, that's great. No snow in Texas. Wow. But she eats chicken legs. Yeah, I eat chicken legs. Chicken feet, not legs. Chicken feet. I eat chicken feet, but I not eat balot. I try once balot, but I never try again. Guys, bring me two. I will chicken. I will sit in the corner of the plane. Really, a chicken cooks the plate. Really, a chicken thighs? No, it's I not thighs. It's feet. Chicken feet, as in feet. Only if she cooks the feet. Yeah, I eat chicken if I know how to cook it and who's cook it, and I cook it. Hello to everyone here. Good evening. Good morning, Kabishiko version 2. Chicken. Yes, the chicken. Fried chicken. Different golden. They are actually the feet. Yes, it's actually the feet. The feet. My God. Papa. Thank you for. Ew. Ew. Ew, what? Yes, never had that. Yes, the feet. The chicken feet. Exotic food. Is there any meat? Yep. I yes. Yeah, yes, just a little bit, but won't eat if doesn't cook. Yes, she doesn't cook them. No, there is not. For chicken, all parts of it are eatable. Yeah. All, as in all part of chicken, eatable. Eatable. Wait, why eat if there no meat? Yes, no meat. I know. I have a meat, but just a little. Who knows? Golden have a feet there, and I have a meat there on the feet, but inside, but just a little, just I don't know, a few months. Good toothpick. I just need to clean the feet. Just remove the nails all and the skin, the no cover of the feet. Yes, need to remove it. Need to clean before cook. Yep. I will try them. So this suck on the bone. Yeah, you need to suck down the bone. You need to do it. Then there's nothing left. So what are you eating then? Oh my god. Okay guys, she will fall asleep now. Yeah, I'm falling asleep. I need to sleep now. I feel so sleepy. See you again. Bye guys. Thank you Golden. Thank you Rapsar. Bye. Thank you Golden. I love you all. Bye bye. She will be back tomorrow. Yes. I will be back tomorrow. Thank you. I love you. Bye.